So if you wanted to change your Google passcode, the process actually is not going to be that hard. So the first thing you wanted to do to make this process is that you wanted to go directly through Gmail. You can focus directly inside your Google account. The first thing you wanted to be doing here is just to focus for my actual website like this. You can go straight to my account.google.com. Directly inside here, what you wanted to do, of course, is to focus into the access panel, which is my password. If you go directly through security and the sign-ins, you can see all the elements, and you can see the passcode that says last changed November of 2023. So when I click directly through my passcode, I select that element, and basically it's going to be asking you to re-enter the actual passcode in order to have access directly inside here. So now what Google is going to be asking us is to choose a new strong passcode and do not use this for other accounts. So you want to enter a new passcode. If I clicked to, let's say for example, new strong passcode is going to be generating me this new passcode. And basically this is going to be like a strong passcode, but I do not recommend this a lot, because usually what happens here is that sometimes these passcodes are leaked between different browsers, so you don't want to take that risk. You want to enter a new specific passcode. Don't try to reuse them into different emails, and hit for the element that says change passcode. Just like that, the verification will be now added this. If you hit for change the passcode, what's going to happen here is that Google will ask you if you wanted to sign out of all other devices. So if you're changing your passcode because of the security scale, you needed to click into sign out on all other devices, because this will be kicking everyone else out, forces them to use new passcodes. And basically you're done. So your account is now locked down. Now, if you wanted to see more great setups into Google Passkey, you can let us know in the comments below. Something else that I can strongly suggest you focus on is into the two-factor authenticator. This two-step verification will be helping you to, let's say, add this strong layer of security to your Google account. So you can add a Google prompt, you can add an authenticator, you can add a phone number, and you can add an actual backup code. So basically that will be actually it, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully we can all see you all next time.